Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Canva Whiteboards. Review my usage experience. Canva Whiteboards Review My Usage Experience offers a collaborative online whiteboard tool integrated within the Canva platform. Its main purpose is to facilitate brainstorming, project planning, and visual collaboration for individuals and teams. Key features include real-time collaboration, shape and text tools, image uploading, and integration with other Canva features. Their website provides details on pricing and features. Canva Whiteboards benefits from its seamless integration with other Canva tools, making it easy to incorporate visuals and designs into your whiteboarding sessions. It offers a user-friendly interface, and pricing is transparent, integrated within the existing Canva subscription model. No hidden fees are involved. Availability is global, accessible wherever Canva is available. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Canva Whiteboards. Getting started was a breeze, since I already had a Canva account. Accessing the Whiteboards feature was simply a matter of clicking a button. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found the drag-and-drop functionality incredibly user-friendly. For example, I recently used it to plan a marketing campaign with my team. We could all simultaneously add ideas, move elements around, and even chat in real time. The performance was excellent. There were no noticeable lags or delays, even with multiple users contributing at once. I had a quick question about embedding a whiteboard into a presentation, and their help center provided a clear and concise answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the real-time collaboration. One minor drawback was the limited number of pre-designed templates compared to some competitors. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Canva Whiteboards. It's a powerful and easy-to-use tool that significantly enhances my team's collaborative efforts. That's my overview of Canva Whiteboards. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.